Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a very crappy job. My black tank valve is bypassing. Luckily this cap seals really good, so it didn't ruin the trip. But when I got home to go dump it, right when I pulled that cap, got a nice liquid surprise that I don't want to talk about. I went ahead and got the gray and the black valves. Might as well just replace them both since we're going to be in it. That one being the black, that one being the gray. The gray is not bypassing, but let's just change it anyways. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is open this. Little bit of water. Should just be a little bit of water and a little bit of the blue stuff. I thoroughly cleaned this out knowing I was going to have to do this. So I'm going to take our old seals off. Just like so. Our area. Slide our new seals in. Get our new hardware in. Alright. Black is done. Let's go do the gray. Oh, that's interesting. That bolt doesn't come out. That one don't really come out all that well either. I forgot to open that valve. That's just pink antifreeze. Lots of pink antifreeze. Alright, there's that valve. There's nothing even wrong with this one. Same type seals as the gray, but smaller. Or black, rather. Open our new one here. Good. 2 of those bolts I had to reuse because they wouldn't come out past that pipe. Okay. Alright, I'll open this again. Imagine there's going to be some of that. So now I'm going to let this completely dry out for a couple days. And then I'm going to fill the gray and the black. Put some antifreeze in the gray. Put some water with some of that blue stuff in there. And just make sure nothing's bypassing. My old trailer, the gray was bypassing and the cap didn't seal. And we were on a week-long vacation and I had like a little pot under here to catch the drips. Even the gray smells horrendous. Like, this is not a situation you want to get yourself in. That's why we're fixing all this right now. Well, I let it dry out for a couple days and I let a couple days worth of liquid sitting in there. Nothing appears to be bypassing. Problem fixed. If you like that video, maybe think about dropping a like, maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching.